welcome. I'm Prachi Gupta and you are watching COVID-19 Bulletin, where we bring you daily updates on the scientific efforts being undertaken in the country to fight the dreaded coronavirus. Amidst this COVID-19 crisis, healthcare workers who are taking care of and treating COVID-19 patients are at a greater risk of getting infected. Now, a new Bluetooth-enabled cart developed by Central Scientific Instruments Organization, which is a CSIR laboratory situated in Chandigarh, is said to cut down on this risk. This cart can be operated through an Android phone. It can be used to send meals, medicines or any other requirement to COVID-19 patients without coming into physical contact with them. This cart can carry 100 kg of load and can travel up to 60 meters in the Bluetooth range. Initially, the trolley was made for differently abled people, but given the current crisis, it has found application in care of COVID-19 patients as well. Based on the same concept, the organization is further trying to develop a smart patient movement vehicle. Let's listen into what Dr. Sanjay Kumar, who is the director of CSIR, Central Scientific Instruments Organization, has to say on this.
Actually, our institute at Chandigarh, which is CSIR CSIO, this has developed a card which can be very, very useful under the present pandemic situation of COVID-19. Actually, this card, as it's so interesting. Like, for example, this card can carry about 100 kg of weight, and you can control it remotely without using any wire. And what also we have developed, normally, there is either a wire or there is some joystick which controls the card. What we have developed here, that we developed a Android-based app, and that app is on your mobile, and using that mobile and using that app that we have developed, you can control the movement of the cart. Suppose there is a our frontline warriors, COVID-19 warriors, who have to serve all the patients. What they can do is they can put some medicine, they can put some food items, or whatever they want to carry through that cart, they can put it in that cart, and it can be moved from one place to another using our mobile app. So from around 50 feet distance, you can control this. So you have a very good separation from the patients, and it's a fantastic device, I feel, under the present scenario. And not only in present scenario, also in all those cases and all those diseases where chances of infection is pretty high, and you have to give medicines to the patient very regularly, you have to provide him food very regularly, then this card can be very useful.
We hope that this Bluetooth-enabled cart is soon employed for taking care of COVID-19 patients, minimizing the risk of coronavirus infection to healthcare workers. Due to the coronavirus pandemic, the demand for masks has gone up, as they are effective in keeping coronavirus and other microbes at bay. To plug this gap between demand and supply, Ahmedabad Textile Industries Research Association, or ATIRA, has developed a special nano-coated cloth which can be used for making masks. The newly developed nano-coated cloth filters out any known virus. It can be used in making N95 masks, which have better filtration capability than N95 masks. Such a mask will be made up of 5 layers, out of which 3 layers will be this cloth and the rest 2 layers will be nanomesh. ATIRA has now provided this cloth to the Defense Research and Development Organization for making 3.5 lakh masks. The production of N95 masks from this cloth will not only help in overcoming the shortage of masks in the country, but will also provide more safety than the mask currently in use. To strengthen the research activity around COVID-19, the Department of Biotechnology and Biotechnology Industry Research Assistance Council, or BIRAC, has invited applications as part of the COVID-19 Research Consortium. In the first phase of this call, which ended on 30th March, around 500 applications were received from academia and industry. Based on the ongoing review process, 16 proposals have been recommended for funding support. These proposals will get funding from BIRAC. The proposals include devices, diagnostics, vaccine candidates, therapeutics and other interventions which can help us in better management of the COVID crisis. Let's hope that the funded research projects reach their destination so that we can win this battle against coronavirus. That is all for today. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Till then, stay safe. Namaskar.